You're training hard, you're eating clean, you're showing up every single day, and still not seeing the muscle growth you deserve. You start to wonder, am I doing something wrong? No, you're not crazy. Your body's just fighting you, and you don't even realize it. Because here's the truth. Most people don't lose muscle because they're lazy. They lose it because they're doing the right things in the wrong way. They're making invisible mistakes. Mistakes that feel like hard work, but secretly destroy progress. Today, we're counting down the 10 muscle-killing habits that are stealing your gains. Starting small and ending with the silent killer that even veteran lifters ignore. You rest too little between sets. You think short rests make your workouts more intense, right? 30 seconds between sets. Power through, sweat dripping, feels productive. But what you're really doing, you're cutting your strength in half. Your muscles don't grow from fatigue, they grow from overload. And if you don't rest long enough to lift heavy again, you're just doing glorified cardio. Real rest equals real recovery equals real growth. Short rest equals burnout with zero results. Take 90 seconds to 2 minutes between heavy sets. Let your power rebuild. That's when the magic happens. You're always training to failure. It looks hardcore. Screaming on the last rep, face red, arms shaking. But training to failure every single time doesn't make you a beast. It just breaks you down. Your body can't recover when every workout feels like a war zone. And when recovery fails, growth stops. Smart training beats reckless training. Leave 1 or 2 reps in the tank. Train consistently, not destructively, because muscle is built through patience, not punishment. You think cardio equals fat loss magic. Cardio's great for your heart, but too much of it, that's muscle cannibalism. You're burning calories and the biceps you just built last month. Especially after 40, when recovery and testosterone naturally slow down, excessive cardio eats away your hard-earned muscle. Remember, cardio is a tool, not a religion. Use it to complement your lifting, not replace it. Lifting is the main course. Cardio, just the side dish. You copy pro bodybuilders' routines. You see a ripped bodybuilder online doing 25 sets for arms and think, if I just train like him, I'll look like him. But here's the hard truth. They're enhanced. They recover faster, train longer, and their routines are designed for people using performance enhancers, not natural lifters. If you're natural, copying them is like trying to run a Ferrari on bicycle fuel. You'll burn out, not bulk up. Train for you. Focus on form, recovery, and steady progression. That's how real, sustainable muscle is built.
Check out our new online store brought to you by LiftZip. Click the link in the bio. We have a variety of merch, different sizes, and color. Place your orders here.
You skip leg day. Again, everyone wants a bigger chest or arms, but nobody wants the pain of squats and lunges. Here's the problem. Skipping legs kills your full body growth. Leg workouts trigger huge hormonal responses that build everything, chest, back, and shoulders included. When you skip leg day, you're skipping your body's biggest growth opportunity. So next time you're tempted to skip squats, remember, strong legs build strong men. You're not tracking protein. This one's simple. If you don't know how much protein you're eating, you're guessing. And you can't build muscle on guesswork. Your body needs roughly 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. Miss that target and your muscles starve. Think of protein like bricks for your muscle house. No bricks, no building. So if you're training hard but not tracking protein, you're lifting for nothing. You train with junk volume. 12 exercises in one workout, 5 sets each, 3 hours in the gym. That's not intensity, or that's insecurity. More is not better. Better is better. Your muscles grow from quality reps, not endless sets. Focus on a few compound lifts, bench, squat, deadlift, pull up, and give them everything you've got. Cut the fluff. Lift with intent. Leave the junk volume for Instagram influencers chasing clout instead of progress. You sit all day like a statue. Let's be real. Training hard for 1 hour doesn't undo sitting for 10. Your body wasn't built to be still all day. Blood flow, posture, muscle activation, all die when you sit too long. Even small movements matter. Stretch, walk, stand every hour. Because your muscles don't just care how you train, they care how you live. Move like an athlete all day, and your body will start to look like one. You chase the pump, not progression. That pump feels incredible. Your muscles feel full, skin tight, ego high. But guess what? The pump fades. What doesn't fade is progressive overload. Slowly lifting heavier, doing more reps, or improving your form over time. Feeling the burn doesn't equal growth. Growth comes from measurable progress. The pump is temporary. The strength you build from progression is permanent. You think muscles grow in the gym. This is the biggest myth of all. Muscles don't grow when you lift weights. They grow after you lift, when you rest, recover, and refuel. If you're not sleeping enough, hydrating, or managing stress, your body won't grow no matter how perfect your workout is. The gym is where you break muscle down. Home is where you build it back up. So treat your sleep, meals, and recovery like they're part of your training, because they are. If you're guilty of 1 or 5 of these mistakes, don't beat yourself up. Every lifter goes through this phase. The difference is the smart ones learn, adjust, and come back stronger. So fix the mistakes, train smarter, and remember, consistency beats perfection every single time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every small step you take, it all adds up. Progress isn't always loud. Sometimes it's silent discipline, the kind that happens when nobody's watching, the kind that turns effort into excellence. So stop comparing yourself to others. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Push harder, eat cleaner, rest deeper, and trust the process. Because greatness isn't built in a day, it's built in the days you wanted to quit, but didn't. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs that extra push today. And if you're proud of your body, thank God for blessing you with the strength to build it. Not everyone gets that chance, so use it wisely. Now get up, stay consistent, and keep becoming the best version of yourself. Your future self is already proud of you. Subscribe for more motivation.
Check out our new online store brought to you by LiftZip. Click the link in the bio. We have a variety of merch, different sizes, and color. Place your orders here.